Yeah, we can.
This guy looks worried.
Yeah, get my wrinkles.
Remember, we got the sensor right here.
Yeah.
So
Hope I don't gotta take this out.
all right, a lot of you Jeep guys already have done this before. But for some of you that have not, you must take this thing completely off. All right, there's no other way around it. You gotta take the hubs out like this way, and then this just pulls out. You're good. So our job today is gonna be rebuilding these inside here. Just gotta take this nut off, take these out, rebuild them here. We are gonna do a little tutorial how to do this because we couldn't find anything. And if we screw up and you guys know a better way, please tell us. I mean, we're all for that. Okay? Sweet.